Okay. So this story, can you come and sit next to me? Yeah. It's called The Detective Dog by Julia Donaldson. Okay.
Julia Donaldson.
The Detective Dog. What's he doing? He's enjoying the wind.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. There once was a dog with a keen sense of smell. She was known far and wide as Detective Dog Nell. Sniff, sniff, sniff. He said, time after time, now the detective solved crime after crime. She's smelling something. Can you see? Who threw the hazelnut down from the tree? Who took the honey away from the bees? Who took it away?
The mouse.
The mouse. Who left the poo on the new gravel path? Uh-oh. How did that spider get in the bath?
Yeah.
Sniff, sniff, sniff. With a wag of her tail, now the detective was hot on the trail. Look, she's sniffing again. Ooh, what's happening over here?
I don't know.
Will you have a look? Have a look. Now shared her house with a person called Peter, a very nice child, though he could have been neater. And 6-year-old Peter was one of those boys who kept on misplacing his clothes and his toys. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Nose to the ground. There are the things the detective has found. So look, these are all the things that Detective Dog found. He's looking for something. Look, maybe he's lost his sock. The bus in the bowl and the book in the bed. The sock in the sofa, the shoe in the shed. There's his sock. And where's the shoe? I don't see a shoe. Well, there it is, look. The tumbled down Ted, the bounce away ball. Now the detectives discovered them all. What a good dog, she's found them all. Now did detection from Tuesday till Sunday, but did something totally different each Monday. Ooh, I wonder what she did. She found Peter's bag and she tracked down her lead. They set off for school, where she heard children read. Oh, that's nice. The children loved reading their stories to Nell, and Nell loved to listen and also to smell. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Mixed in the air, where Play-Doh. Can you see where the Play-Doh is on here in the school? Maybe that's it there, Trinity. Where Play-Doh and pudding and newly washed hair. The crusts in the trash and the coats on the hooks. But best smell of all was the smell of the books. So she likes the smell of books. Would you like to read to a dog, Trinity?
Yeah.
Yeah? That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Look at the wall. Look at all these on here.
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
Those planets.
That's it.
And space rockets.
Uh-huh.
I want a space rocket.
That'd be pretty fun, wouldn't it?
Yeah, when I got
You go out to space.
yeah.
Books about dinosaurs, books about knights. Books about planets and meteorites. Books about princes who turned into frogs. Oh my goodness, look at this big beanbag. That's cool, isn't it? Books about dragons. And books about dogs. But then came a Monday when all was not well. Now sniffed the air. She smelled the wrong smell. What do you think she smelled?
What did she smell?
Let's have a look. Could that be maybe? Into the classroom, the two of them hurried and found Mr. Jones looking terribly worried. He tugged at his hair and he let out a sigh. Peter looked round and he started to cry. Oh no! Sniff, sniff, sniff. What was going on? The books, cried out Peter. The books are all gone. Oh no! Where's all the school books?
I don't know.
All the children, look at all the children.
Yeah.
What's happening here?
They're sad.
He's crying.
And all of the children are sad.
Yes. Now gave a growl when she heard the bad news, but then started sniffing and searching for clues. Sniff, sniff, sniff. On the bookshelf, a cap. The thief must have dropped it, the terrible chap. Now sniffed the cap, then she tugged on the lead, and woof! She was off at astonishing speed. So she's looking for the person who took all the books. Everyone followed Detective Dog now. She stopped at the traffic lights. What could she smell? What do you think it is? A tree. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Haddock and hay, pizza and penguins, and further away, the smell of the thief, and how very exciting, thousands of pages all covered in writing. Look at all the children following her. They want to find out who the person, the thief is with her, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Then, woof! They were off, with no time for a stop. Past the farm. Where's the farm? Can you see where the farm is? Look over here. And the zoo. And the fry and pie shop. Where's the fry and pie shop? That's it. What else can you see on this page? Oh, what's he got?
A pizza.
Mmm. The penguin got a pizza from the fry and pie shop. Yummy. Look at all them running and chasing. There they go. They thrashed through the undergrowth, leafy and dense, till they came to a gate in an old wooden fence. Then Nell started growling and picked up an ear. She barked, and the bark meant, "The thief is in here!" They found the book thief, Trinity.
Yeah.
Let's have a look who's in there. Oh no. They flung the gate open, and Peter cried, "Look!" For there sat a man with his nose in a book. There were many, many books poking out of a sack, and the children yelled, "Those are our books! Give them back!" Oh dear. Sniff, sniff, sniff. The book thief looked sad. "I'm sorry," he sniffled. "I know I've been bad. Stealing is wrong. But I just meant to borrow. I was planning to give all the books back tomorrow." To borrow? To borrow? Now pricked up an ear. She barked, and the bark meant, "I've got an idea." So look, he's giving them all back to them now.
Why?
Well, because he took them and he didn't ask. And they said that you mustn't take without asking. It's wrong.
Yeah, they opened the gate.
Yeah. Then woof! She was off, and away they all sped, including the book thief, who told them, "I'm Ted." Sniff, sniff, sniff. They raced through the wood and over the field where the rabbits smelled good. Look, they're running through the woods together, even the book thief. They panted and puffed past the fry and pie shop, the zoo and the farmyard, with never a stop, except to retrieve Peter's scarf and his ball, which someone had thoughtfully placed on a wall. Till they came to a building with doors open wide, and what did they see when they all went inside? What do you think's in here?
I don't know.
Shall we have a look?
Yeah.
What is this place?
A children's library.
A library! from the floor to the ceiling. The books gave the thief the most heavenly feeling. He gazed in amazement. "Where am I?" he said, and Peter replied, "In the library, Ted. You can join if you want to. There isn't a fee. And then you can take lots of books out for free." How wonderful. He's like, wow. Look at all these children's books.
Yeah,
That's where we went today, didn't we?
yeah.
Wow.
They're taking
They took Ted to the library.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Ted has a lovely new library card, and he sits reading books in his little backyard. And when it's a Monday, Detective Dog now visits the school with a wonderful smell. Sniff, sniff, sniff. With a faraway look, she smells and she listens to book after book. The little girl's reading to her again.
Yeah.
Sit up for me. Books about dinosaurs, books about knights, books about planets and meteorites, books about princes who turn into frogs, books about dragons, and books about dogs.
That's about princes
And a frog.
yeah,
What about this one?
about dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
And
And this one?
about dragons.
That's it.
And I wish I had one of those detective dogs.
Me too. I do as well.
Can we get one of those?
Maybe one day, yes. All the old books and the new ones as well. The story of daring Detective Dog now. Look, they've written a story about her. Isn't that wonderful? What did you think of that book? That was a cool book.
Yeah!
I liked that one.
Yeah! Can we get another book?
Another one? Oh my goodness.
Can I have the beast